Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to see how to set up the environment for running the machine learning problems. So we kind of need various packages like pip, numpy, scikit-learn for various models to run. So instead of installing one by one, we'll set up it in one shot by creating a new virtual environment for that using the command Anaconda command prompt. Okay, let me open the command prompt from here. Just start. Okay, so this is currently this environment is based. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new environment. Conda create hyphen n. Environment name will be giving ml underscore development, and with Python version as 3.7. Actually 2.7 has been stopped the updates, so we are going with the newer version 3.7. Yes. So to activate the ML development, whatever we have created it, just you can run this command conda activate ML underscore development. So now you can see that the base has been changed to ML development. So once we have created the environment, we need to install the packages. So to install the packages, instead of installing one by one, we are going to install it in one shot. So we have created a file, a text file called requirements. So in that requirements, I've placed all the uh, packages which we'll be using later in the videos: TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPy, NLTK for natural language processing, and NumPy for array processing, and Pandas for data frames manipulating, data analysis. So TensorFlow. So there are a couple of packages which I have added here extra also. So we can get it let you know later what each and every packages will be used and where details. So for timing, I have listed all the packages with the versions which I'm going to install in that newly created environment. So why I have placed this is because the environment it's looking here the user. Otherwise, we can even change the path here to and point out wherever you are placing that file, the requirements file. And to install this, we can use install. This slash u if I'm giving because if it's already installed, just update I'm saying. But just make sure that you give a proper correct name here. Okay, it looks like good. So to install it may take some time here based on your bandwidth and speed. Here it is downloading all the packages which we have mentioned in the requirements file. So this will be easy way, because whenever you are running any applications in any environments, so you can't uh, install each and every package individually, because in those environments we might miss sometimes. So this is a good practice if you're working in machine learning or deep learning projects. So we can keep all these requirements and the versions in the requirements files, and as you have developed in the development environment, you can use the same versions in while deploying it to the UAC or prod environments. So it took me some time, like almost 20 to 30 minutes, to install all the packages which I told, which I mentioned in the requirements files. But there are some errors, which is that. So these are some of the errors. But apart from that, I think the remaining packages have been installed here successfully. So So the remaining packages will install whenever we required while proceeding further with the ML models. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.